How to add a cover photo on Facebook. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily add a cover photo on your Facebook profile. But before we get started, make sure to like the video down below, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. So the first thing you want to do is open up Facebook application and make sure that you're logged into the account where you want to add your cover picture. Then, in order to visit profile, tap on the profile icon right beside what's on your mind. And once you tap on it, you'll be taken directly over to your profile. As you can see, I currently have only the profile picture and I don't have a cover picture. So in order to add a cover photo on your profile, tap on the background right beside your profile picture, right behind it. Tap on add a cover photo. Now you can either upload a photo and choose a cover photo that you've uploaded previously on Facebook. I'll just tap on upload photo and select a picture from my gallery. Here I have just selected a picture from my gallery. You can just drag to adjust it. So I'll just leave it somewhere around like this. And once you've done that, you can either share the update to your newsfeed. If you don't want it, tap on the check mark to uncheck this, and then you can just tap on save. I'll just post it on my newsfeed for now, and then just tap the save button at the top right corner. Now, once you tap on save, your cover photo will be updated on your profile. I'll just refresh my profile for now, and then the cover photo has successfully been updated. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.